Well, Swearer, welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how premium burgers are made, step by step.
All certifications verified. Product temperature holding steady at 34 degrees.
Proceeding to storage.
Adjusting the mixture ratio now.
Confirmed. Temperature delta is stabilizing.
The meat is ground to exact specifications and blended with our signature seasoning blend for consistent flavor.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Each patty must meet strict weight and size standards.
All strapped down here. Bay 3 is good to go. Closing doors now.
And that's how premium burgers are made, from start to finish. From fresh beef to your table, every step is carefully monitored.